What's going on, people? It's your boy Jimmy74, yeah. Anyway, today we're gonna do some work on the Bronco, the wife's 2023 Ford Bronco. We got a base, did some upgrades with the wheels, still got more to come, but today we're gonna get rid of the yellow letters and we're gonna replace it with illuminated letters for the grille. So that's on the docket for today. Jimmy74, yeah. I have one problem for this video is I can't remember where I got it from. I got this kit a while ago and I can't find it on Amazon where I usually get stuff. I don't know where I got it from unless it's been discontinued. But when I find it or find something similar, I will get it back to you. I can't even tell you how much I paid for it right now. But Blue Charm, that's what it looks like if you find that. But anyway, okay, you got the wiring harness here. This is actually the harness that goes to all of the letters. Each one of these plugs go to one of the letters. This is power for everything. This K is here for no apparent reason. It says that in the instructions. There's an extra K for no reason. So you got your letter and your studs. And these will be the backs to hold the letter in place on the grille. We also got these wire hooks, so you can run your wire through here, so you make sure the wire is not everywhere for neat installation. So every letter has this for power. It's not hollow. It has a black filling on the inside of these. I would rather not have that, but that's okay. Hopefully it all looks nice. Now, I've never been under the hood here. It seems like they could have had some kind of fancy, dancy engine cover. But whatever. It's a nice engine. It does what it's supposed to do. So apparently you got to take this whole section off in order to get to the bolts for the grille. So that's what we're going to do. The next thing I got is 4 bolts up here. I believe it's just this one, this one, this one, and this one. And the rest should be clips. We will quickly find out if that's true or not. Success. Oh, that's how she looks with no grill. So now this is what we got to work with. the letters are all melted on. So I gotta cut that off or burn it out or something to get it off of there. And then get my new letters on. Since I'm not sure what's there, I'm gonna use a drill this size and drill all the holes out. And hopefully that'll be big enough for the old letters to fall off. So at this point, there should be only a little melted plastic left, and it should pop off. I could be wrong though. Sweet. There we go. So I clean up a little bit from my drill going through, but it should be okay. Got the bottom side clean. Now this back side is kind of rough. So I'm gonna try to clean that up a little bit with my little grinder. Actually, on those that have the square, you can actually drill the hole bigger and eliminate the need for sanding all together, because the actual square lines up the emblem where it's supposed to be. And the only one that doesn't have that is the C. It just has 3 studs. So if I wanted to, I can go back and drill all these holes just bigger. Just enough for the stud to go through. And everything should work out fine. Probably not the best idea. That one's going nowhere. So the connection side goes to the O. So that'll go up into the fuse box. And the rest of this goes to the letters. So now the letters are wired. It's just a matter of putting the wires where they can't be seen. And that's what this is for. Place the wire in. I mean, that's what this is for. Place the wire inside and clamp it down. It'll stay there. Structure itself helps us out too. I can just tuck it under here. This way I only need one or two of these clips. Put that there. Clipped. We'll take that. So this next portion of the video is for connecting your LED or the emblem lights to the vehicle. So what it asks for you to do is to remove this 10 amp fuse here. Gotta use what I got. That 10 amp fuse, place it with this fused connection. Then it says to connect this to the negative side of the battery, which is right here. This part stays with the car if you ever have to change the battery, so we'll put it here instead of here. One last piece to the wiring. Got a good amount left, but I don't want this all out here like that. And I don't think I want to splice into it to shorten it, so I'll just loop it a little bit, a couple times here, and use my last tie in this corner. I'm gonna get some additional ties to make sure that's all tucked back and out of the way before we close it all up and call it good. Let's see what the ignition does. Wasn't able to find the parking lamp fuse, so it comes on with the park lights, but further research and I'll figure that out. So turn on the ignition. We have lights. There we go. Another job completed successfully. Let me know if you like it, hate it. Give me thumbs up, thumbs down. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all of that. Till next time, people. Jesus. 1, 2.
J made a line, 74, yeah. J made a line, 74. Comment, like, and subscribe. 74.